we going? Okay, so hopefully everything went smoothly last week. This week we're going to do Porta Ciphers, which are very, very similar to Veneer ciphers that we looked at earlier this year. So you should have, there's two printouts you should have. One should be the test that starts with page 24 with a pollux. We're looking at question 26, the Porta. And then you should also have a smaller printout of the table that you'll use for a Porta cipher. You'll notice that it looks exactly like the chart that you use for a Veneer, but instead of having each letter on the left side of the table have its own row, two letters will share a row. And I believe it starts with a O or an N shifted alphabet. So the Porta cipher, you're going to do the same thing we did with the Veneer. You're going to use your keyword, which this time is Porta. How convenient. And you're going to write that over your encoded text, letter for letter. Now, because this one is only 100-point question, they made it pretty easy for you and broke it up into groups of 5 already. But as we know, if it wasn't broken up so nicely, you just continue going through the letters of Porta all the way through. So now is, again, it's an easy question, only 100 points. So they even tell you the first 4 letters of the plain text. It is. So really, just by having your chart and having this, you should be able to figure out the pattern here. But if you looked at it, you're getting stuck. The keyword letter is going to be the row of your Porta table. The encoded letter is going to be the column. And then the plain text letter is going to be where they meet in the middle. So if that doesn't make sense, look at your chart, find P in the row, P on the column, and then where they meet should be I. And then try that for the rest of these 3 letters and you should be getting it is. And then you're just gonna continue for the rest of the code, and then you know that you've messed up if things stop making sense. I know that the Aggie test doesn't have a Porta table in the beginning. That's because these are new for this year. They basically replaced Veneer ciphers. So any test that you get that has a Porta on it should have a table. But if not, again, you should be able to use your Veneer table to figure it out if they give you a few letters of the plain text. So that's Porta cipher. You can pause that.